Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to see card number on the Bank of America app on your mobile phone. The first thing I want you to do is just launch the app, make sure you're logged in, and then come here to the top left and click on these three horizontal lines to access your menu. So go ahead and tap on that and you will get this page. All you need to do is scroll down here where you see Bank of America accounts, right? Scroll down and then just tap on manage, debit or credit. This will lead you to your cards. In this case, I only have one card to manage. And to see your card number, all you need to do is just tap on this card and it will give you a pop to enter your PIN. And once you enter your PIN, you'll actually see your card number displayed as well. And it's really that easy and simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel.